just recording my bird. See if they're gonna knock down the food. So as well, we see the food's already knocked down in the cage. So we're gonna see what happens to the food just by recording the video. I'm gonna place the camera down there so you can see them. But they may not do it because in the night they're like pecan. Shut up, birdie. Pause. Pause game. Pause game. Pause game. Pause game. Stand in your swing toy. Friendly, get on your swing toy. So let's just see what happens. I'm not gonna be here, so because they're scaring me, so I'm gonna leave my camera right.
We went around 12 and they went around 10. We couldn't leave, they wouldn't be possibly into the parking lot. It was that full because it was a free day. So we went to Thursday. We got there around the same time. We got in, but then we paid and we got everything, but we had to hustle to see. We couldn't see everything. But we should have left at 10. We should have got it there on time.
That's a big zoo.
That's huge.
I think Michael has taken the board there.
Kristen doesn't know. They're like silly people. Like, that
Speaking of business here, that's your life, Kristen? Going to work in a... I don't want to go to that. Only 14 miles.
Kristen, I don't know. Some type of language, Kristen, like, don't they? She really wanted to get the point across. Well, you can roll into Roblox. And make there be Fighting. That's what's on camera. And it's getting sent to YouTube. So guys,